Yeah, that's fine.
The search is on. These came with real metal badges. Yep, and quattro. This is a nice car. Ah, it's got the old clickers. It's got the old clickers. It's got these weird clickers because of this for the system. Yo, where he needs that is on the dashboard so it doesn't crack. This is cracked. Crack City. The paint is gone. It's got the washers. It's got, yo, look at the metal badge. Totally gone with paint.
Yeah. Wait, when you see the motor. Hold on.
What? Oh, did he work this motor? No?
I didn't want to know what he did to that car.
Oh, he hacked it?
That bad? 8 years.
Damn, what a shame. You know, I wonder if I could get the paint up on it. It's going to have the thing right here. Wait, it's here. There we go. Yeah. There we go. What's he got? Ah, motor's all there. This is a great engine, this 5-cylinder.
He blew it up over there.
How could you blow this up? It's hard to blow this motor
He
up.
said he has to, I guess, rebuild it. He wants to put a bigger turbo on it.
Dude, just get it going. You know what? I've been seeing a couple of these for sale, and they've been doing pretty decent money.
Long time.
Yeah, what a shame. What a shame. Yeah. Turbo diesel, GTI, cool stuff up here at my boy's place up here in Washington Motors, baby, in New Jersey.